Aeration is essential in all aquaculture production as it produces and regulates dissolved oxygen in the water body.
Aeration comes in different forms and sizes, however, the function remains the same, that is to create an interference in the water by producing water bubbles or breaking the surface of the water that can allow oxygen exchange from the atmosphere and into the water.
In aquaculture, oxygen is supplied through aeration tube for the fishes to avoid them from getting stressed. This is because when fish get stressed, infections and mortalities can easily happen on the fish. So, there is a difference in terms of the soft oxygen requirement in life cycle and also in species. So, when we say species, there are two kinds of fishes. One is hardy fish and also one is sensitive fishes. So, for hardy fish such as catfish and tilapias, they can easily tolerate low dissolved oxygen because they are hardy fishes, whereas goldfish and marble goby, which are sensitive fishes, they cannot tolerate low dissolved oxygen because they can easily get stressed for life cycle. Larvae can need a lot of dissolved oxygen. This is because they need it. It is essential for their growth. And then for broodstock, it is also very important because the amount of dissolved oxygen can influence the eggs of the broodstocks. Whereas for juvenile, which is the middle stage of the life cycle, they can tolerate lower dissolved oxygen in their life.
Hi! Over time, there has been an increasing amount of innovations regarding to the types of aerators. I have simplified 4 main types of aerators in a timeline which started from gravity aerator, fountain aerator, diffuse aerator, and electric paddle wheel aerator. The advantages of this aerator are that it requires low cost and also low energy to operate. The disadvantages are it needs a good infrastructure and a constant flow of water. The advantages of this aerator are the attractiveness it displays and the ability to circulate the body water efficiently. The disadvantages are it can easily get clogged by debris and be expensive. The advantages are including high aeration and oxygen transfer efficiency, and the disadvantages are susceptible to chemical or biological fouling and more expensive. Lastly, electric paddle wheel aerator. It consists of triangular cross-section paddles from 4 to 12 feet long and a total drum diameter 28 to 36 inches. It was mainly used in a large-scale hatcheries such as lagoons or ponds, etc. The advantages are it gives rapid aeration and cost-effective in a long-term run. The disadvantages are it needs constant electricity supply and a proper management.
Hello, now I will proceed to talk about the originality and the uniqueness of our selected technology, which is cirrus with ultra-fine bubbles.
UFB is new and emerging of science, which capable of infusing UFB in liquid for longer periods of time. The originality of these bubbles, it can be generated without any use of heavy equipment, and its range are in 10 to 100 microns and has very low slow rising speed, so that the bubbles can stand in long periods of time in the raining water. The uniqueness of the system, the UFB can be simply generated with aqua nanox. It can control and maintaining the dissolved oxygen level in the whole cirrus with only one oxygen supply. Next, UFB are very effective for water pollutions and wastewater treatment application because it will activate the aerobic biological treatment so the water will be clean as shown in the picture. Other than that, UFP can purify and sterilize the water efficiently, so the fish will grow faster and healthier. UFP also have cleaning effect, which resistant to dirt, so cleaning costs and labor can be reduced. Lastly, UFP also can help preventing the fish disease such as gas bubble disease that can lead towards fish mortality.
Hi, my name is Nur Azira and I will talk about the benefits of CRAS by using oxygenated fine bubbles.
The first benefit is the running costs can be minimized. This is because CRAS oxygenated fine bubbles does not need oxygen dissolver, carbon dioxide deaerator, suction unit and ultraviolet sterilizer. Next, the oxygen can be supplied to all rearing tanks in high level and suitable for stocking density. Moreover, the ultra-fine bubbles can inhibit the growth of bacteria in rearing water without any treatment for sterilization. And lastly, the ultra-fine bubbles can also clean rearing tank without using labor. This is also can reduce the stress to fish while cleaning.
Potential of commercialization. Ultrafine bubbles has many advantages that can solve common problem in aquaculture industry. It has the potential to be commercialized. One of the advantages is cost reduction. In the closed recirculating aquaculture system, there is Aquananox makes it possible to control the oxygen content throughout the whole system using only one oxygen supply source. It easily keeps high dissolved oxygen condition. Secondly, bactericidal effect of ultrafine bubbles inhibits the growth of bacteria in rearing water. And sterilization with ultrafine bubbles that uses only oxygen is a safe method. Thirdly, cleaning effect of ultrafine bubbles make rearing tanks, channels, and piping resistant to dirt. It reduces the frequency of large-scale cleaning operations for rearing tanks, reducing stress to fishes and the number of workers. And lastly, bacteriostatic effect of ultrafine bubbles prevents deterioration of water quality and bad odor.
Our target customer are the farmers who culture in large-scale production. This system a high running cost and high initial cost, but it can increasing the profitability of the production. Besides, it's easier for us to handle and manage our culture. This system also less susceptible to external factors such as red tides, fish disease, and heavy weathers. Our next target customer is farmers who culture the high commercial value species of fish. These types species of fish can cover and return the total cost of their sustainable production. The system also very efficient for various types of fish, such as
tiger puffer, black scraper, and scorpion fish.
Fish has been contributed in the system. That we must know that the system does not affect and give benefits to certain species of fish, such as tilapia and catfish. This is because catfish are ability to endure harsh conditions, while for tilapia it can survive in any extreme condition.
Hi, my name is Noraliza. I will talk about the impact on the audience in the terms of global, society, firm, and customer. The first impact is global commercialization.
As the CRAS using oxygenated ultrafine bubbles had expanded globally, the company that used this system will easily gain the customer's trust towards their product compared to company which did not use it.
Second impact is farms and farmers have high production.
Ultra-fine bubbles keep high dissolved oxygen conditions that prevent the fish from stress and accelerate their growth, thus will increase profitability and their production in a short time.
The third impact is it is a cost-effective for the farmers.
This system is cost-effective because it has bactericidal effect which help in cleaning effect for tanks and piping, hence reducing cost for cleaning operation.
And the last impact is it brings awareness for the society about the aquaculture.
This system will bring awareness for those who have no idea about what is aquaculture to start learning and practicing aquaculture instead of just fully depending on the marine source, considering our marine source is decreasing over time.
That's all from me. Thank you.
The creative levels of innovation in the market for commercial aerators in aquaculture helps create a wide option for farmers to determine which types of aerators are suitable for their production costs and also cultural conditions. The innovation not only helps to increase the efficiency of the system, but it also helps to increase the profitability of the production.